Welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline, also known as Mimi. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and put your bell notification on. Make sure you like and definitely comment and let me know how you like this video. So today I am actually in a different scenery. I'm in my bathroom. I am going to be showing you how I wash my hair. This is what my locks are looking like right now. So it's probably been like 2 or 3 weeks since I washed my hair, and it's time. It's definitely time for me to wash my hair. So I haven't had a retwist in like 3 to 4 weeks, and I'm not gonna get one until another 3 to 4 weeks. I'm proud of myself. I have been pushing my retwist. So this is just me just strictly washing my hair, showing you how I wash my locks and what the process is to wash your locks. This is the way that I wash my locks. So if you don't wash your locks like this, you are not wrong. Just definitely figure out what works for you, and that's what I've done. So if you want to see how I wash my locks, then keep on watching. I kind of tried to look and see if I have any like lint or anything in my hair. Try to get that out first. And so far I'm not really seeing anything. I'm pretty good at pulling out lint or any pieces that I happen to see in my locks. So I suggest that before you even wash your hair, try to look in the mirror and see if you could find any lint or anything that's in your hair that's not supposed to be. If you have locks, you know that when you have locks, there's always going to be something in your hair. On to the next step. I will meet you in the shower. So here I am basically just rinsing my hair, getting all that stuff out before I put in my shampoo. So I just grabbed my Garnier Fructis Pure Clean shampoo, pouring that in my hand, and then I'm going to go ahead and work that into my hair. Trying to make sure that I get it throughout all of my hair. I basically just grabbed my scalp massager and I'm working that in my scalp. I really do like the scalp massager. You can always find this on Amazon, Walmart. I bought mine on Amazon and it works wonders. So here I am basically rinsing the shampoo out of my locks. Quick tip. If you are rinsing or shampooing your locks, got conditioner in your locks, make sure you always squeeze the end of your locks, just because locks tend to hold product. So make sure you squeeze your locks, that way the product can get out and they don't stay inside your locks. So I'm going in for the second time. And this time I'm not going to use my scalp massager. I usually only use it once when I'm shampooing my hair. This time I'm basically going to work all of that shampoo into my hair, and I'm going to work the shampoo down to the shaft of my locks. I also think it is such an amazing thing to have a shower head that you can remove, because this makes the process of shampooing so much easier, for real, for real. So if you have one, definitely use it. It'll make your shampoo process quicker and easier. Now that I finish shampooing, I'm going to go take my shower now. So I am officially out the shower, and this is what my hair is looking like. So this is what my hair is looking like. So at this time, I kind of try to just separate, make sure I try to separate as much as possible, since I'm not getting a retwist. And even if I was getting a retwist, I still like to separate like these here. Sometimes I like to do this too, to see if I can see feel my fingers can go through my hair. And then the last step I do, put a little oil. This is coconut and moringa oil. I'm very heavy-handed with my oil. I don't know if it's because I used to be natural. I do the same thing with my locks. But my locks are bleached, so hey, I can get a little oil in there. Why not? Don't forget these non-existent edges. And that's how I wash my locks. So right now I'm just going to let it air dry because I have to sit here and edit this video so that way it could be posted tomorrow. So I will be up for a couple hours so it can air dry. But if I didn't have time to air dry, I would just get under the blow dryer and just blow dry my hair on medium warm heat. Don't do hot heat. From being natural, I stay away from the hot heat. So yeah, that's all I do to wash my hair. I hope this video helped anybody who wants to know how to wash their locks. I think this was pretty easy, step by step. Hopefully you're able to follow along. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate all these new subscribers that I'm getting. I am just so grateful and thankful for you guys. But thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. So I just want to say thank you so much to everybody that I really didn't believe that I would stick through to pushing out content. I'm so proud of myself. And if you're wanting to do a YouTube video, just do it. Get out there. Don't be afraid. Like, do you see my hair is growing? Like,